Today, we're making prune cake and buttermilk glaze from Jack Daniel's The Spirit of Tennessee Cookbook. You might be thinking right now about how much you really don't care for prunes, but this cake is sure to change your mind, or at least make you like prunes in a cake. The whole recipe is pretty easy. Just start by mixing the flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, cocoa, and sugar together in a bowl. Then, in a different bowl, mix the eggs, vegetable oil, buttermilk, and vanilla. Once you've got your dry and wet ingredients mixed separately, mix them together. Now add in the stewed prunes. The recipe didn't have a specific way to do the stewed prunes, so you can really find any recipe you like online for them and make them that way. After you've got the prunes thoroughly mixed in, pour the batter into a bundt pan and bake until a tester comes out clean. The recipe states about 55 minutes for this, but it took us just over an hour in our oven, so just be sure to check it as it bakes. Let the cake cool on a wire rack before turning it out of the pan. While it's cooling, make the buttermilk sauce by combining the butter, sugar, baking soda, buttermilk, white corn syrup, and vanilla in a saucepan. Bring it all to a boil and let it go for about 2 minutes or so. If you're like me and you've never been a big fan of prunes, like I said, this cake will change your mind. It's absolutely delicious and even better the next day, warmed up with a little bit more buttermilk sauce on it. It's definitely a recipe we'll be making again. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.